Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to turn a normal silver wristwatch into a gold wristwatch. First we come to your to here, press select subject. It will automatically highlight the wristwatch here. Let's wait while it's loading. So you press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Now come to hue, saturation, create clipping mask, click on colorize. Now let's drag this, so let's drag this a little, something like this. Let's make it, yes. Now you come to brightness and contrast. Let's this one to 20, this to 46. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Thank you very much.